In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting on your laptop or PC. Recording a meeting can be really useful if you want to review what was discussed, share it with people who couldn't attend, or keep a record of important decisions. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you are already in a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can join a scheduled meeting from your calendar or start an instant meeting from Teams. Once you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom or top of your screen for the meeting toolbar. This is the bar that shows your microphone, camera, share screen, and other options. On that toolbar, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots, often called More or More Actions. This is where additional meeting options are hidden. Move your mouse over the toolbar and click on those 3 dots. When you do that, a menu will open with several choices. In this menu, look for the option that says Start Recording. The wording might be paired with Start Transcription in some versions, but you want the one that clearly mentions recording. Go ahead and click on Start Recording. Once you do, Microsoft Teams will begin recording the meeting. You'll usually see a small notification at the top of the meeting window telling everyone that the recording has started. Participants may also get a message informing them that the meeting is being recorded, depending on your organization's settings. It's always a good idea to let people know verbally that you're recording, just to keep things transparent and respectful. From this point on, everything in the meeting, including audio and shared screens, will be captured. Try to avoid unnecessary background noise and make sure whoever is speaking is close enough to their microphone for clear audio. When you're ready to stop recording, go back to that same 3-dot More button on the meeting toolbar. Click it again and this time select Stop Recording. Teams will end the recording and start processing the video. After the meeting ends, the recording will be saved automatically, usually in Microsoft Teams or your organization's connected storage, like OneDrive or SharePoint. You'll be able to access it from the meeting chat